Welcome to our culinary journey. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful exploration into the world of Peking chicken, a dish renowned for its rich history and distinctive taste. Origin story. Peking chicken originates from the culinary traditions of Beijing, China. It's a beloved dish known for its crispy skin and succulent meat, originally prepared using a special breed of chicken raised in the Peking region. Ingredients list. For this authentic recipe, you will need whole chicken, 1, about 1.5 kilograms, salt, 2 teaspoons, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, honey, 2 tablespoons, hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons, garlic, minced, 3 cloves, fresh ginger, minced, 1 tablespoon, Chinese 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon, vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons, green onions, chopped, 1/4 cup, sesame seeds for garnish. Recipe, preparation. Rub the chicken inside and out with salt. Combine soy sauce, honey, hoisin sauce, garlic, ginger, and Chinese 5-spice powder. Rub this mixture over the chicken, cover, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Recipe, roasting. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the marinated chicken on a rack in a roasting pan. Roast for 20 minutes, then reduce the heat to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue roasting for 1 hour, basting occasionally with the pan juices, until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. Recipe, resting. Remove the chicken from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes before carving. Serving suggestion. Serve the Peking chicken hot, garnished with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. It pairs perfectly with steamed rice or pancakes, along with a side of fresh vegetables. Fun fact. Traditionally, Peking chicken was roasted in a closed oven with wood from fruit trees to impart a unique smoky flavor, adding to its legendary status in Chinese cuisine.